ko pala. Oh my God. We're going to... Ayan, ganda dito guys. Super, super, super. Adro, where are you going? Adro, what you asking to me? What is the meaning of Mongoloid? Adro, you know what is the Mongoloid in Philippines?
No.
No, Mongoloid is same like a special child, like abnormal, you know? You know what is the abnormal?
Yes.
So what is abnormal? Can you explain to
That
me?
means naughty.
Adro, what is the meaning of Mongoloid? You don't know, wala. Don't say Mongoloid. So, punta kami guys sa sa play area. Adro, what is the meaning of Mongoloid again? Adro, the place is Mongolia, okay? Oh, there. There. Oh, here. Mongolia is a place, Adro. And G, this G. Underground, the play area. The play area is ang ganda naman ng left na to. Swimming place, first play area. I will ask. What is mommy say to you? It's a beautiful girl. Because we will wake mommy. When mommy will call, then we'll go to swimming pool. Sa totoo lang guys, ayaw namin dalhin sa
In the playground, I say.
ayaw namin siyang dalhin sa swimming pool kasi inuubo. Oh my God, ang hirap ng batang ito. Mongoloid. We lost. Oh, we went there later before. We're going to play area. Yan, sa kabila guys ang kainan. Ang hapag kainan sa kabila. Oh. So, pumunta tayo sa labas. Pumunta kami sa labas. Okay. So, where is the play area? I remember that play area. We need to go. Excuse me. Where is the play area? There. Go there. Wow. Ganda guys, no? Ang sarap dito guys. Full wifi talaga. Saan? Here. Oh, here. Yeah, actually we went here before na. You remember? Yeah, here down. See. Oh, ganda. Ang ganda guys. Napaka-peaceful ng place dito guys. Yan ang kabilang hotel, Watchman Hotel. Ay, yung hotel namin. Char hotel namin. Tada! Wow! Here, the play area is here. See? Changing clothes. Club, kids club. See? Read that. Can you read it?
Let's go to the changing room and play.
Yeah, kids club. So we need to go in underground. Oh, I saw. Look. Oh, you remember when you are 2 years old? We went here. Okay, let's go. See, there's the water.
Let's go underground.
Yeah. Let's go to underground. Come on. How to come there? Come here. Ayaw niya magpahawak. Oh, Adro don't want to she don't want me to hold her now. You know, last we went here, she's very afraid anywhere. And she's so small. I think she's 1 year old. Now the second time we went here. It's a cave. Oh, there is water. There is full waterfall. Wow. Oh, this is a swimming pool. Yeah. It's swimming pool. See, that's why I bring your swimsuit already. Wow, so nice. Now you can run. Where is that play area now? Oh, here. Whee! Wow. Ngayon, yeah. Matakbo na siya. No, we need to ask first. You cannot swim if you are alone. You need to ask the lifeguard. Oh, see, you have less of, see? You can play here. Wow. First, we need to come inside. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, yung maliit pa siya dito. She's still small before. Oh, dyan kami. Ayan yung kainan namin. Kainan namin talaga. Pilinggera. Pilinggera ang lola. Yeah. Oh, you can play also here, Adro baby. No, you can come and play. Oh, it's not allowed. Huh? Adro, look. You can play here first. What do you want to play? First you want to swimming? We can swim? She can swim? Yeah. Hmm? Yeah. I no problem. Well, you can change your clothes. Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's okay, it's fine. I can carry her. Thank you. Oh guys, ang ganda, no? Diba? So, ibang lahi yung nakabantay dati, Pilipino. Dati ang nakabantay dito, guys, Pilipino, na ang jowa niya Sri Lanka. Ay, marites! Marites kaayo ko. O, diba? Ba't ko alam? Ayan, oh, baby! Wow! Change your clothes. There is in the bathroom there. See? Makapag-swimming ka dyan ng di oras. Swimming, Adro, you will swim only 30 minutes, okay? After 30 minutes, you will change this pajama again, and then you will play there inside. Understand? Oh my God. Yeah, kaganda ng bathroom. Naligaw ba tayo? Where is the bathroom? Oh my God. Oh wow. Bathroom lang yan, guys. Ay naku, napaka-apurado talaga ng batang ito. Gusto niya talaga mag-swimming. Yeah. Go and make sure then. Remove your pants now.
Remove it.
Oh my. Hey guys, we're so excited. Oh, nasaan na yun? Nasaan na? Ligaw na tayo. Grabe ang yaman ng mga tao dito, guys. It's here, yeah. Yoo-hoo! Wow. him. Wow. The water is okay? Ayan guys, nakapag-swimming na siya kanina. Nag-live ako habang nag-swimming siya. So ayan, tapusin lang natin ang ating oras guys kasi alam nyo na. Alam nyo na ang ating oras kung ilang minuto, kaya hindi ko may upload ng kulang, kaya tambay tayo dito kay Adro habang siya ay nag-pretend. Nanggaling kami dito last 3 years ago. 2022 o 23. Taba talaga ng dito ko. Yun. So, maliit pa siya, no? Iba yung bantay. Sabi ko nga as I say kanina, iba yung bantay dito. Sabi niya, ang jowa niya is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka talaga. Napakamarites ko ay. Ayan siya, alaga, oh. Drawing niya yung kanyang favorite flag. What you want to do? Hi, Adru. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm drawing my
What you want to draw? Okay, Indian flag. Okay, because look this. Yung isang, wow, Pakistani, mashallah. Drawing siya ng kanyang flag. After you finish this, you draw my flag, okay?
But I don't know how to do stars.
Stars?
Yeah.
Okay, I will put the stars.
No, you can draw your flag. Your flag is not my favorite flag. You have to draw where you're from.
Okay. Oh no, may TV pala tayo. Baka hindi ba ako maano dito? Hindi ba ako maka-fright? Adru is in Cueva. Adru, you are in the cave. Say bye-bye.